convoy is trapped. You have 10 minutes.
Access.
I understand. I am heading back in now to support them. I will not leave my brothers behind in that fire.
We have your signal.
You're watching iShow Made Simple, where we make technology, AI, and online tools easy to understand. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and let's get started. Want to create your own Soldier War movies using AI without spending money? In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it from start to finish. So the first thing you're going to be needing is to generate our scripts. For every AI video generation, you're going to need a script to back your prompts up. So, and the AI tools I'll be using for my script generation is ChatGPT. You can also use other AI tools like Google Gemini, where I'll be using ChatGPT for my script generation. Now, I already put in my title, the words I want to really talk about, which is writing an original cinematic Soldier War movie using just 2 prompts for image generation. You can use as much story you wanted, but this is just a tutorial. I just want to show you how you can, do it. So now that my prompt is ready, you can see the last signal. 2 prompts cinematic war movie. The prompt 1 is animation. You can see the scripts, how it's being written down in a real war movie shows. You can see the last signal. So now that my prompt is ready, first let's start by creating our war story and characters with AI, which I'll be using Google Gemini for my image generation, which is the next step. You can use ChatGPT for your image generation as well. So we have to copy the prompt 1. Then take it to Google Gemini. So this is the next step. The next step is for what? Is for our image generation. So the first thing I'm going to do is to tap on the plus sign, then tap on image generation, then describe my image, which I'm going to do that now. Then I'm going to tap on send. Now you can see that my first image is ready, so I'm going to tap on save. Okay, now that our image has been saved, then go to ChatGPT again, then copy the prompt 2. Copy, then go back to Google Gemini. So the second image has been generated as well, so I'm going to tap on save. Next, we are going to turn these images into moving video clips. This is where the project starts to look more like an actual movie, right? We're using YouTube AI feature to turn my image to video. I'm going to show you how to do that. So that's the next step. So I'm going to head to YouTube now. I'm going to tap on the YouTube AI icon, which is this. I'm going to tap on it. Then I'm going to tap on photo to video. In some other AI tools, this is image to video. So I'm going to tap on it. You can see both of my image that have been generated by Google Gemini. So I'm going to tap on this. So now bring your photos to life. From the beginning, you will know that it generated some scripts from ChatGPT. So I'm going to go back there and copy the prompts. That's what I'm going to put in here for you to bring your image to life. That is what you do. So I'm going to head back to ChatGPT now. Then copy it. Then I'm going to place it there. Then I'm going to tap on this arrow. Then wait for the image to turn to video. Now,
I understand. I am heading back in now to support them. I will not leave my brothers behind in that fire. The convoy is trapped. You have 10 minutes. I understand. I am
already saved the first video, then we tap on this, then head back. Then head back. Then you tap on the YouTube AI icon again. Then you tap on the first video, then you tap the second image. So like I told you, you're going to need the prompts. So you go back to ChatGPT, then copy the second point to bring the second image to life as well. Copy it. It does the same process. Now let's wait for the image to turn to life. See that? You can see that the YouTube AI has already joined both videos together. I'm going to tell you everything I just said now. This is now. So
The convoy is trapped. You have 10 minutes. I understand. I am heading back in now to support them. I will not leave my brothers behind in that fire.
now
We have your signal.
the second video has been shown as well. This is to let you know that YouTube can also, after YouTube AI has found
The convoy is trapped. You have 10 minutes. I understand. I am heading back in now to support them. I will not leave my brothers behind in that fire.
We have your signal. You're going to add your sound. But if you wish to use
The convoy is trapped. You have 10 minutes. I understand. I am heading back in now to support them. I will not leave my brothers behind in that fire. We have your signal.
So I'm going to see them from the device now. Okay, on our images into video clips, I'm going to go to gallery to show you what we just did. So I'm going to play the video for you guys.
You have 10 minutes. I understand. I am heading back in now to support them. I will not leave my brothers behind in that fire. We have your signal.
You can see how this soldier war movie looks so real. AI has already made everything in perfection. With this, you can even create more long soldier war movies that you wish to do. So because of the tutorial, that is why we just do it like this. So like I told you, if you wish to add some styles you wish to do, you can just take it to CapCut, then edit it, change it to your styles you wish. You can add the background sound that you wish to add. But for just this tutorial, this is how it's going to be like. So that is it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to iShow Me Simple for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next one.